Myntri Rangbah Gejala Meghalayau Conrad Kongkal Sangma aga ap kenai trip jemang ar hajar ap undriu. Lekin dua Myntri Rangbah Gejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ha Guwahati. Benetai Halor jing bagi pentut bagi nong sok snong katan kaput ki kendo kam tam Halor ka jinglong jingman ha ka snong Lapangap. Banwat ru kilat kelenti ban penek ke jing song sok bat ka an ha kini jaka. La ban kedau hang ne bahag ni kindiat sni ginong sok snong ka Lapangap kila ban mat gijing na gijing sap pentut ha ki karbi ba penlong ginong sok snong ban om yo alat ban drap habakran hadian kini gijing kendo Myntri Rangbah Gejala Meghalaya Rito bahag ni gijing lang belasan ran lang da usumbut Myntri Rangbah oba snyau balangdhar lekran Halor gijing bamat ginong sok snong ka Lapangap. Ula pencai bahalor ke jing bamdan ke song sok song san Lapangap nak yang sarkar jela dak kita yau kala persang banwan ra ke jing song sok dak bakot iki banedon benta banekran Halor kene gamat hagne ke jing lang ke officer nak sarkar jela ban ke distrik na bro artli jela ke ledon lang balai kran sani ba ban shemeki katogan ki senjam ke bela ban wang chisendan iki ni jing ke baki officer kan sa shemkya ban penbet ikini nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ula kentu bat khot iginong song snong bat ke badan bentaru bakin dan kejing trelang ga baklannya preng jongki kenang banwan ra ke song sok song san. Halo kejing penbet yu pot usam u Conrad kongkal Sangma ula pentip bahadian bagi sarkar Assam kala tau ki kenhun Myntri jongka batang syudap bam smai ki arken hun kin sesong menekran pat Halor kene kamat. Ula penpau bagi jing lang ha kene si gede tek tang Halor kamat kabedai bagi jing Lapangap bagi sarkar ka kermen scam ban la ban penbet no ke jing rengkat ke jing kemilenti ya ke jing trelang na barok kiliang ki badan benta ha kane ka kam
along with Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Snyobalang Dhar, we met Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in his office chamber in Guwahati, and the main purpose of our visit was to discuss the ongoing situation in Lapangap that's happening right now along the Assam Meghalaya border. And as you know that there's been a lot of concerns about it, and for the last many days and in fact weeks, we have been trying to bring the different stakeholders together to resolve the issue and to find a way forward. And we had a very positive and a very constructive meeting. Other officials from both the state governments, including district officials, were present, and we have worked out some measures which could help us diffuse the situation, and our officials concerned will be taking steps in the next few days to try and resolve the issue. And through this particular message, I also would like to urge the people also and officials and all the stakeholders from both sides that we should work to make sure that we are able to resolve the problem. We should work in a positive manner, and we should work in a constructive manner, and trust each other and work in such a manner that we can find not just a solution for the short term but also in the long run. And we have also decided that once the Assam government is fully in place in terms of all the different cabinet ministers, once the oath is taken place, that the discussions further on the larger context of the border issue will take place then. So we will take a call at that point in time for the larger context. But today's meeting was limited to the Lapangap issue, and we are very hopeful, as I said, that we should be able to resolve the situation, and we seek cooperation from all stakeholders at this point in time. Thank you very much.
Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.